Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix coordinate display showing wrong units using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your tracking numbers on your current setup session so your screen labels show your measurements exactly the way you expect. Step 1. Turn on the location number bar at the bottom. The first step is to open up your main status bar menu to make sure the tracking numbers are actually active and visible on your lower screen strip. Move your mouse pointer down to the very bottom right corner of your window, find the icon made of 3 horizontal lines sitting on top of each other, and click it once. Scan to the very top of the pop-up list that appears, locate the word coordinates, and click it once so a small check mark shows up right next to it. Because if this basic tracking switch is turned off inside your workspace layout, you won't be able to see your mouse numbers at all. You have to open this clean custom menu so you can force the software engine to drop the hidden status mode and reveal your numbers. Without this step, your bottom toolbar row will remain empty. Step 2. Change your main tracking numbers setting. Next, you need to type a quick setup word into your system bar to alter how the software tracks your mouse movements on your screen canvas. Click inside the empty typing box at the bottom of your screen. Type the word coords, press the Enter key on your keyboard, type the number 2, and hit the Enter key one more time. Look closely at the text bar at the bottom to ensure the setting updates and locks into the number 2 mode. Because if this internal switch is left on the wrong mode, the numbers will freeze or show angles instead of simple straight measurements. By setting this rule to 2, you command the program engine to constantly update your position values every single time you click or move your brush. It ensures your tracking labels stay fluid and responsive to your hand. Step 3. Open the Master Units box to swap the actual appearance style. Now, you need to open your Deeper Layout Preferences menu to change the actual appearance style of the numbers from confusing fractions to clean decimal places. Move your pointer back down to your empty typing space, type the letters UN on your keyboard, and press the Enter key to open the setup box. Look at the drop-down menu under the word Type, click it open, select the option that says Decimal, and then click the box right next to it to set your 0 precision to a clean short number row. Because if your software is stuck in a specialized design mode like architectural settings, it will try to force your location numbers into feet and inches. By changing this selector row to decimal rules, you tell the computer to show simple, straightforward numbers instead. It is the key step to getting the right output, because it matches the tracking numbers at the bottom of the screen to the real units you are drawing with. And that's it. To fix coordinate display showing wrong units, you must first click the 3 lines at the bottom right to make sure coordinates has a check mark next to it. Then, you type coords and set it to 2 so your numbers move smoothly with your mouse. Next, you type UN and select decimal to clear away messy fractions and set your true measurement style. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.